Power source. Hey there, my name is Ed Howie, and this is How We Grow a Brand.
1, 2, 3,
If you like what you learned from this video, help us promote this channel by clicking the like button below and subscribing to our channel. Ready to go? Let's get into today's chat. Okay, guys, it's like, I don't know, what analogy you want to choose. The fourth quarter, we're in the red zone. We're down by 2. We've been beaten to a pulp and are still living. Whatever it is, here's the question for you, for me, today. What is your power source? What is that source that keeps you plugged in so that you're not depleting your battery to 0%? You know, I think a lot about iPhones and how the fact that, you know, you use them and use them and use them, but if you never plug them in, never connect them to a power source, they will be unusable. And I can speak from personal examples of running life way, way fast with lots of energy depletion and not having that plug in. So for me, foundationally, the big capital G, God, is my power source. My relationship with him and recognizing his provision and blessing and graciousness in my life is the foundation of power source. But you know, in addition to that, or perhaps fully through that, there are many other things that become my power source. And if you can't think of 2 or 3, then I would encourage you to maybe come up with 2 or 3, because I believe we each must have and recognize multiple sources of power. So a couple of power sources for me. I love indoor cycling. I don't know why. I don't know what. Well, actually, I do know why. I do know why is because I can go into a room and I can work my ass off for 50 minutes. I can actually get a little report on how well I did, and I can recognize it, I can acknowledge it, and I can walk away to the next thing. And I have never gone back 3 weeks after a class and gone, you know, 33 minutes into it, I really could have accelerated a little more and gotten more out of it. You know, it is one of those things that I walk in, I do my best, I walk out, and that is incredibly powerful in the midst of all the things that seem to never be completed or seem to be ongoing. French fries are a significant power source for me because, you know, I don't eat French fries every day. I don't eat French fries just anytime I want to. When I choose French fries, I'm choosing it because whether it be reward, whatever, I don't care what you call it, but it is one of those things that's like, you know what? I'm going to have French fries. And it just makes me happy. And it kind of recharges me. Naps recharge me. There is nothing like a 20-minute or 40-minute or 60, 70-minute nap for me, especially if it's a nap like not on my bed, like where it's like on the couch, on the porch watching football, or it's on the beach, or if it's on a plane at about 2:30, we've just taken off and I sleep the whole time. That's a power source. Connecting one-on-one with someone who I haven't visited with in a while. That is an extreme power source. The ability to just stop, to ignore everything else for a while and be 100% focused on someone else, extremely powerful. And a learned behavior, and it's taken me like 52 and a half years, and my wife may even suggest that I fully haven't learned it yet, is the ability to be still. It is amazing that we think about power as activity and frenetic energy, but I can almost become so super power charged when I'm just be still. So here's a question. What's your power source? I would love to hear from you. I'd love to know. I'd love for us to share in our community what your power source is and why it works for you, because my guess is there's some power sources you have that I've never thought of. Maybe you've never thought of the power source of French fries, and maybe you'll go explore that this week. Whatever it is, I'd love for you to share it because, you know, a depleted organism, a depleted enterprise, a depleted human is pretty pitiful. And when I say pitiful, it is pitiful because it doesn't have to be that way. So if you're feeling a little tired, recharge. If you're feeling recharge some more. And I'd love to know what it is that helps you be more powerful. Hey, I really hope this helps and inspires your day. If any of this works on your business this week, I'd love to hear about it in the comments, or hey, just message me. Can't wait to see what we chat about next time on How We Grow a Brand. We'll see you soon.